Hi, love bugs. Happy Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day can certainly be a toughie. It's one of those holidays that's just designed to make you feel bad if you can't participate. And, you know, it's just overrated. And no, I'm not saying that because I don't have a Valentine. It's because I really think that. I mean, technically speaking, I do have a Valentine. It's you. If you don't have a Valentine and you're here today watching this with me, do this just because I thought it was pretty, then thank you for being here. Welcome. I have great news for you. I'm your Valentine. It's me. If you already have a Valentine or if you just don't want me to be your Valentine, that's fine too. Have fun. So in honor of this day, I really wanted to try this makeup look. I saw it on TikTok. So there's the original creator who designed it. She just like posted her look. And then I saw Michaela N. I don't know how to pronounce her last name, but she does makeup on TikTok and she's really famous. She like broke it down and showed you the step-by-step on how to achieve it. I'm gonna try and attempt it. I think the reason that I was just obsessed with it and I thought it was so pretty is because it reminds me of my earrings. And I just wanted to stick gems all over my face. So let's do it. I'm gonna show up and show out this Valentine's Day because why not? So as you can see, I have my whole face done except for my eyes. I'm wearing red lipstick, which I never wear. And I'm wearing a lot of blush, so I feel like a lot is going on. First step in the video is Michaela takes an angled brush. Check out that angle. You know what would be really fun if we were just doing our makeup together right now. Whether or not we're getting ready for Valentine's Day, I think that would be cute. Whether or not your Valentine's Day involves sitting on your couch, going on a walk, going on a date. I would totally wear this out in public if it looks good.
So I'm starting by just outlining the shape I want for the cut crease. Just making sure it's super pigmented and it'll look something like this. Doesn't have to be neat because we're gonna cut it.
So how the heck have you guys been? I feel like I haven't talked to you one-on-one in quite some time. I hope you're doing well. I can't believe it's already Valentine's Day. It was just New Year's. How do we feel about Valentine's Day? Is it a fun? I think Valentine's Day's cute. You know, regardless of whether or not you have a significant other, the theme of it is cute. Red, pink, hearts, love, lies, heartbreak. No, I'm just kidding. I would like to point out that I went in my closet and I found the only pink item I own right now, this. And then I have red, 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 pink. What has been your favorite Valentine's Day of all time and your least favorite Valentine's Day of all time? I really don't remember any significant Valentine's Day that I've had. I don't think that question applies to me, to be honest. And there's not a Valentine's Day that sticks out to me as being the best or the worst. They've just been significantly unimpressive my entire existence.
Taking a very tiny blending brush, nothing on it, and I'm gonna ever so slightly blend out these edges.
I kind of feel like this diffused it a little bit too much. Mine doesn't look like either of theirs. What seems to be the problem? It's because of this brush. This brush ruined it. This is looking like real clownery. I'm gonna use this color.
Small fluffy blending brush, and we're just gonna slowly go right on top of that. Buff it out right to the brows. Oh, I just love the colors.
What I want to know is, serious question, let me know if you know what happened. Where did the purple go? You know, this is the best Valentine's Day gift I could have ever gotten. Me just spending time with the love bugs. So here we go. I've been thinking about Britney Spears a lot lately. The whole documentary, Framing Britney Spears, came out and I feel like people have been saying Free Britney for a long time, but it's really popping off right now because of that documentary. And listen, I haven't seen it and I'm dying to see it. I actually canceled my Hulu subscription because for whatever reason, it was no longer working on my television. just wouldn't connect, wouldn't work. It's probably a TV issue, but I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna pay money for it if I can't even watch it. Anyways, I just feel so like I know enough about what's going on with her to be absolutely devastated for her. I wanted to be her with all of my heart and soul. And like everyone just did her so dirty, and I'll never understand. I just want to be her friend so bad. And after like hearing little bits and pieces from the documentary and just rethinking it in my mind, looking back on it with an adult lens, my absolute rage and hatred towards Justin Timberlake, like the whole Crimea River. Oh! So I'm gonna go on top of the red and do that whole shebang again, except I'm gonna go in with this pink color. But the next step is to get a Q-tip and some makeup remover and basically remove half of what I just did. Got my Q-tip, got my makeup remover, and now I'm just gonna...
Makeup remover and a Q-tip, we're gonna cut that crease. Make sure it's nice and clean, nothing on the lids.
Hey, your guess is as good as mine, friends. In the video, Michaela uses P. Louise base. I don't have that. I'm using concealer.
Oh, so stunning. Set the blank space. I'm gonna use these two shades here. Just pressing those on with a flat brush.
This concealer is being disgusting. I'm gonna set that with a very, very light beige color. All right, babies, we are one step closer to completing whatever this is. Now it's time to connect the wing. We're just basically gonna repeat all the steps we just did, but connecting the wing.
Small angle brush, very first shade we started with, I have to connect the shape. So it's nice and pigmented. Now I'm just buffing it out. Bada boom, bada bing, look at that, baby. I'm gonna do the bottom lash line. You go from darkest to lightest.
I gotta say, I really would like to know what happened to the red, the purple. They all just faded into the abyss. Now that could very much be my fault. I really, from the bottom of my heart, wish that I could include like real music in here. I wish we could do a karaoke session. I think that would just really elevate our time together. Should I start going on live and just karaokeing with you? I would love to do that. So next we're dipping into the red again.
Truly exceptional.
ASMR jacket rubbing. Ew, ASMR denim. ASMR denim rubbing. What is the word I'm thinking of? I also think I went in way too hard, right? It's like on my nose. Okay, it looks like this is as good as it's gonna get when it comes to the eyeshadow, and I am gonna live with it. I'm gonna take that as a win. Now the thing is, we still have lashes to put on, but we also have our gems. I think it might be easier to put on the gems first and then the lashes. For some reason, that's just what's coming to me right now. Do you think I should put anything on the inner corner, or does that not calibrate with something like this? I think that might just be too much. So really the ultimate moment of truth in this look is gonna be whether or not these stick around the perimeter. So I have my handy dandy lash glue here. I'm just gonna slather some on the back, and we're gonna hope for the best, and we're just gonna go. I wonder what this will do to my skin, but beauty is pain.
Oh my gosh. It took a lot longer than 20 minutes. I had to do a variation in the gems because I didn't have the one she had, but oh my god.
Wow, it's stuck. I can't believe it's stuck. Oh my gosh. The unfortunate part about this is it's not going to be identical because I couldn't find gems in different sizes. They're all one size, so it might look kind of, I don't know, packed. I don't think you understand how much gluing these gems onto my eyelids just added 5 years to my life. I'm not taking these off ever. I don't care if the eyeshadow is bad because, excuse me, talk to the gems. I'm gonna put lashes on. I feel like I could do without the lashes. I feel like they take away from the gems a little bit. Last step, some gloss. This is Cheeky. It's called Cheeky. Oh, yeah. Listen, listen, listen. Stop whatever you're doing, go buy gems, and incorporate them into your makeup routine. It doesn't have to be for Valentine's Day. It doesn't have to be for any day. It could just be for Sunday afternoon before you're about to go to bed. I feel like a new woman. And that's that. Tell me what you think. Be honest with me. Thank you so much for spending Valentine's Day with me. I hope you have a beautiful Valentine's Day, regardless of what your plans are. Happy Independence Day to all of my singles out there. We're doing great. And happy Valentine's Day to all my couples out there. Congratulations. Love you all so much, and I will see you in the next video.